Wanna do is bring you glory and honor. It's all for you, none of me. It's more of you, less of me. All for your kingdom.
Well, hello, darlings, and welcome back. My name is DarlingrAnita, and I talk about lifestyle, travel, and fashion. And if this is your first time, welcome. And if not, welcome back, my besties. Well, if you do like lifestyle, travel, and fashion videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And then don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will never miss a video. Well, today's video is a tutorial, very easy to follow, to show you how I apply my gel nails. Now, I'm not telling you that I am an expert. I am not, but I have been doing them for a while, and I have learned the craft that it is pleasing to me. So if you're interested in seeing how I do my nails step by step, make sure you stay tuned. Alright, so I've prepped my nails. They are clean and they're ready to go. Now, one thing that you see, that all of my nails are not at the same length, and I got to have my nails at the same length, and I just do not want to cut off my nails that have grown. Now, what I am doing, I'm going to put acrylic nails on, and I have learned this technique that when you file the acrylic nail at the part that goes to the cuticle of your nail, they do tend to last longer. So here I'm applying the glue. This is polished glue. I love this glue, and that you can see this is another technique. I do add the glue at the tip of the nail, and then I press it on my nail. Again, this technique works and it lasts for a long time. Okay, so I'm going to go back with the drill, and I'm going to go ahead and file it some more. Again, the goal is to get the nail right at the cuticle as thin as possible. Alright, so it's time for us to start the clipping and the filing of your nails. And you want to make sure that you clip your nails where they're all at the same length on both hands. And also that if your real nail is long up under the acrylic nail, make sure that you do not clip that nail. The base coat that I will be using will be from Madam Glam. They are a gel polish company that has gel colors that I am so in love with. I have been using their products for a long time now, and they look awesome on my nails. I will have their information listed at the bottom so you can also try them, and I promise you, you would not be disappointed. doing is that I am removing any base gel that could have hit my cuticle with the nail polish removal. That is one thing you want to make sure that around the nail it is clean before you cure it. I like to cure my nails for just 30 seconds. I don't like going over 60 or 90 seconds because I don't want to damage the bed of my nail, but 30 seconds to me would be the best cure for you when doing gel nails. This color is from Madam Glam. This is from their spring collection. If you can see how beautiful this color is, how thick it is, you know that it's going to be applied perfectly to your nails. When applying your gel nail, try to start right at the cuticle and move yourself up. That is a very easy technique that I've learned, and it has been successful for me. Okay, your last applying step is the top coat, another product that is from Madam Glam. And I will have all that information, like I said, listed at the bottom for you. Alright, so now it's time to get the gooey sticky stuff from your nails, and what I am using is just some pure alcohol, 70%, that helps get all of the leftover gooey sticky stuff that can stay on your nails after you're curing your nails. And this next step, which is the final step, is to apply your cuticle oil. This will help keep your nails looking as healthy and beautiful as possible. I hope I wasn't too long on the tutorial. I just did not want to leave out anything that would be beneficial to you, because this is what I do. Now, I'm not an expert, I'm not a pro, but I do nails that benefits me to my liking. And I hope that you felt that it was much to your liking as well. Now, the gel polish that I use is from Madam Glam, and I will have that information listed at the bottom for you, along with all of the tools that I do use. Now, if you felt that this tutorial is beneficial to you, make sure you leave me a comment, a little heart, or a little smiley face, and then don't forget to subscribe. Now, remember that you are beautiful from your head to your toes, and that you are loved. You're show love by me, but most of all, you are loved by God. Until the next video, I see you soon.